Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm here to help you learn some super useful Mandarin phrases that are perfect for beginners. Whether you're introducing yourself, asking for directions, or just being polite, these sentences will make it so much easier to communicate in Chinese. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. Greetings. The classic 你好 means hello. It's simple, friendly, and you'll use it a lot. Now, if you want to ask someone's name, you can say 你叫什么名字?你叫什么名字? What is your name? Easy, right? You can reply by saying 我叫 your name. It means my name is your name. Politeness goes a long way in any language, so here are a few essential phrases. 谢谢 means thank you. If someone says 谢谢 to you, you can reply with 不客气, which means you're welcome. And if you ever need to apologize, you can say 对不起. If someone apologizes to you, you can respond with 没关系, which means it's okay or no problem. Now, let's look at a few questions you might need when you're out and about. To ask where the restroom is, you can say 请问洗手间在哪? 请问 means excuse me, and 洗手间 means restroom. And if you're shopping, here's a helpful question. When you're out shopping or browsing in a market, this is a super useful phrase. Just point to the item and say 多少钱? It means, how much is this? It's simple and direct. Perfect for finding out prices while you're practicing your Mandarin. If you're just starting out, you can say 我不会说中文, I can't speak Chinese. But if you're feeling confident, you can say 我会一点, or 中文, I can speak a little Chinese. And of course, if you're a fan of Chinese food, you can say 我喜欢吃中国菜. You could ask someone 你在哪工作? Where do you work? Or if you're just making small talk, you can say 今天天气很好. The weather is nice today. And one last phrase, this one's perfect for when you're with friends. 我们去吃饭吧 means let's go eat. It's a great way to invite someone to grab a meal with you. Let's review what we have learned today. 你好,你叫什么名字?谢谢,不客气,对不起,没关系,请问洗手间在哪?多少钱?我不会说中文。我会一点中文。我喜欢吃中国菜。你在哪工作？今天天气很好。我们去吃饭吧。And that's it. These phrases are super useful for beginners, and I hope you'll start using them right away. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try saying each sentence out loud a few times. Which phrase is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mandarin learning tips. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.